If you thought Sydney Sweeney's appearance on Jimmy Fallon was just a normal interview, think again. It actually sparked a massive feud online. Basically, an internet personality named Blakely Thornton roasted Sydney's look, saying her hair looked like the stiffest wig, and claiming her whole vibe was signaling MAGA politics. Well, Sydney's hairstylist, Glen Oropeza, was not going to let that slide. He allegedly messaged the critic directly. He clarified that it wasn't a wig and told the critic, "You can keep trying to spin a narrative. If you need attention, just say that." Thornton clapped back, sarcastically offering to sign the stylist's timesheet and saying, "Good luck on the rest of the press tour." Yikes. It seems like everything is a debate these days, even a blowout on late-night TV. What do you guys think of the look?